For homeowners in Slidell, creating a bright and inviting interior is often a top priority. Natural light not only improves the look of your home but also enhances comfort and overall livability. One of the most effective ways to increase natural light is by installing patio doors. With their large glass panels and modern design, patio doors can transform interior spaces by bringing in more sunlight and creating a stronger connection to the outdoors. One of the biggest advantages of patio doors is their expansive glass surface. Unlike traditional doors or smaller windows, patio doors are designed to maximize the amount of light that enters a room. Whether you choose sliding glass doors or hinged French doors, the wide panels allow sunlight to flow freely into your living space. In Slidell homes, where daylight is abundant, this feature can significantly brighten interiors throughout the day. The placement of patio doors also plays a key role in enhancing natural light. Typically installed along exterior walls that lead to backyards, patios, or decks, these doors are positioned to capture sunlight from open outdoor areas. This strategic placement allows light to penetrate deeper into the home, reducing dark corners and creating a more even distribution of brightness. Another benefit is how patio doors make rooms feel larger and more open. Natural light has a powerful effect on perception, and brighter spaces tend to feel more spacious. In Slidell interiors, patio doors can help expand the visual boundaries of a room by blending indoor and outdoor spaces. The clear view outside creates a sense of depth, making even smaller rooms feel more expansive. Patio doors also improve the overall atmosphere of your home. Sunlight enhances colors, highlights textures, and brings out the natural beauty of your furnishings and decor. With more light entering the space, your home feels warmer, more welcoming, and more comfortable for everyday living. This is especially valuable in living rooms, dining areas, and kitchens where families spend the most time. Energy efficiency is another important consideration. Modern patio doors are designed with advanced glass technologies such as double-pane construction and low-E coatings. These features allow natural light to enter while minimizing heat transfer. In Slidell's warm climate, this means you can enjoy bright interiors without significantly increasing indoor temperatures. The result is a comfortable, well-lit space that doesn't put extra strain on your cooling system. Another advantage of patio doors is their ability to reduce the need for artificial lighting. With more natural light entering your home, you can rely less on lamps and overhead lights during the day. This not only creates a more natural environment but can also contribute to lower energy usage over time. Patio doors also offer flexibility in design, allowing homeowners to choose styles that best suit their needs. Sliding doors are a popular option because they provide a wide glass surface while saving space. French doors, on the other hand, offer a more traditional look with multiple glass panels that still allow plenty of light to pass through. Both options can be customized with different frame materials, finishes, and glass types to match your home's style. In addition to light, patio doors can enhance ventilation when opened. While their primary benefit is bringing in sunlight, the ability to allow fresh air into your home adds another layer of comfort. In Slidell, where humidity can be a factor, this airflow helps improve indoor air quality and creates a more pleasant living environment. Proper installation is essential to maximize these benefits. A well-installed patio door ensures a secure fit, proper sealing, and optimal alignment. This prevents air leaks and ensures that the door performs efficiently while allowing maximum light into your home. In the end, patio doors are an excellent way to enhance natural light in Slidell interiors. Their large glass panels, strategic placement, and energy-efficient features work together to create brighter, more open, and more inviting spaces. For homeowners looking to improve both the look and functionality of their home, patio doors offer a practical and stylish solution that delivers lasting benefits.